Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to change the page template in WordPress in 2025. Whether you want to give your site a fresh look or adjust your layout, this guide will have you customizing your pages in just a few clicks. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure your changes display perfectly. First, let's log into WordPress. Open your browser, go to wordpress.com and log in. Using the continue with Google's option is usually the fastest. Just make sure you pick the right Google account linked to your site. Once you're in, head straight to your dashboard. From there, click on the Pages section. This is where all your site's pages live. Now, find the page you want to modify. Hover over it and click Quick Edit. This opens a simple panel that lets you make changes without loading the full editor. In the Quick Edit panel, look for the Template drop-down menu. Here, you'll see all the available templates for your site. Pick the one that matches your desired layout and style, maybe a full width design, a sidebar layout, or something custom. Once you've selected the template, don't forget to hit update at the bottom. This saves your changes. Finally, let's make sure everything looks perfect. Go back to your pages list and click view under the page you just edited. Your new template should now be live, looking exactly how you wanted. If it doesn't, simply refresh or double check that the correct template was selected. And that's it. Changing your WordPress page template is that simple. A few clicks and your page gets a completely new look. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.